Before you start any construction, there are three important set of rules and regulations you should know, apply for, and third, the area of open spaces you should provide around the house. These open spaces are called setbacks, usually provided for proper lighting, ventilation, and fire escape provisions. Based on these three parameters, you need to have a layout plan designed and approved by an architect. You would also need commencement certificate from the local municipal authority or Gram Panchayat to begin your construction. Some smart tips to remember.